Hi, I'm Amanda from QueenMee Accessories. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm so glad that you're here with me this week. Every single week I share styling videos to give you an accessories boost. I am an accessories lover and I can't get enough of headbands, hair clips, brooches, earrings, all of them. But this week we're going to focus on headbands. But before I forget, please do subscribe so you don't miss next week's video if you are an accessories lover too. Now, headbands are, I think, the best accessory for confidence. You just put one on, you could I'm having a bit of a bad hair day, to be honest, because I'm due a trip to the hairdresser and my roots are showing a bit, but pop on a headband and suddenly it's a little bit concealed and you've got that confidence lift, which I love. And it's my go-to hairstyle, so I will wear a headband every day of the week. I just let my hair dry naturally a lot of the time, pop one on. I'm a busy mum, so I don't have much time to fiddle around with braids and clips and things, but a headband is just a fantastic go-to. And I'm happy to wear it with my hair down naturally, but if you are going to an event, it is really, really nice to up the style stakes and maybe wear your hair down, but have your hair in a slightly more glamorous, maybe asymmetrical Studio 54 vibe style like this. And that's what I'm going to walk you through this week, how to create this very, very simple but glamorous look.
To create this headband hairstyle, I've added a wave to my hair for extra glam. My hair is naturally fine and straight, so adding a wave really does make me feel more polished. Then I sweep the hair over to one side and secure it in place with Kirby grips. I use quite a few Kirby grips, as you can see, to keep the hair firmly in place. Next, I want to finish the style by adding a strand of hair over the Kirby grips just to cover them up, and I use a final Kirby grip at the nape of my neck to secure that strand in place, so the Kirby grips are now covered up and the style feels extra glamorous. I have my hair swept over to one side, the waves are flowing, and now for the final step, adding my headband. A headband is my favourite hair accessory. They're so perfect for weddings, for races, and when you finish your headband hairstyle with this asymmetric, very glamorous look, it really does take your look to the next level.
So I hope that you love that glamorous hairstyle. I will be wearing it myself to a party in a couple of weeks' time, and it's super easy to do, which I love. I would love it if you would subscribe so you don't miss next week's video, and thank you so much for joining me. I am so grateful that you're here. Thank you.